Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from where you are. This is Mr. Moses again with another video having a number to challenge again on our whiteboard. Now, subscribe those who have not subscribed, and those who are already with our subscription, please press the notification such that when we upload a video, you will be in position to come up and view our videos. Those ones, for example, those who can at least get the language within the area, bassebo ne bannyago mbalamusiza. Ono Moses tugenda kubanga tuyita mu namba zino chap okulaba nga tufuna solution. Bassebo ne bannyabo, these numbers are called simultaneous equations. We are having two equations with two unknowns. That's why we are going to solve it simultaneously. And now today, what we are going to use what we call elimination method. We are going to use elimination method. This is what we are going to use in elimination method in solving this simultaneous equation. The only thing we need just to have here, it is just to arrange these equations just in order such that we eliminate one and again we eliminate another. Now we rewrite the equation. It is 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Then also we are having 7x plus a 5y is equal to 11. Now from this point here, what we always do when we are eliminating, we look at these numbers. For example, if at all we need to eliminate the value of x, it means you make sure the value here and the value here is the same. The coefficient of x will be the same such that you will be eliminating that value of x. If at all you need to eliminate the value of y, you make sure that the magnitude of the coefficient of y is also the same. How can we obtain that one? It means what we do here, let us first eliminate x. To eliminate x, it means we need this coefficient to be the same. You make sure if at all here we are having a 2 and here we are having a 7, we are going to multiply this one by a 7 and down we are going to multiply the lower equation by a 2. By the time we are going to obtain an equation whereby the values here, the x values will be the same. For example, when you multiply a 7 times a 2, it will be a 14x minus a 3 times a 7. Yes, a 3 times 7. This one qualifies to be something like 21y. And again, we proceed with 7 times 12. Those with the calculators, please, you can at least place the calculators and see the value that comes out. But those ones without calculators, you can just test it like this. That is 12, and this is the set. 7 times 2, that is 14. We carry a 1. Are we together? This 7 plus 1 becomes 8. Those without calculators. But those with calculators here, you just place the calculator. It will give you the answer. Now this one qualifies to be 8 what? 84. That is our first equation. Now in the second arrangement, also down, it will be a 2 times a 7. It will bring us 14x. Then plus. Now here we are having a 5y equals to this one. But now a 5 times 2, it becomes 10y. This one is equal to 11 times 2 becomes 20 what? 22. Now, our two equations now. Within this equation, we have the coefficient of the x values the same. Now, it is our task to get equation. For example, here, if at all we are having equation, this is equation 1 and this is 2. It means we are going to subtract equation 2 from equation 1. Then we shall come up with the answer. When we subtract equation, we get equation 2, equation 1 minus equation what? Equation 2. Okay. Again, we proceed with our value. Remember, we are subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. Now, for this case here, we are having 14 minus 14. It is like we have this a minus sign here. This will be 14 minus 14. It will be a 0. Now, this is a negative. Minus 21 minus a 10. It becomes minus 31y. Are you seeing that one? Which is equal. Now again we come here. A 2, this is a negative. 84 minus a 22. Are you seeing that one? Now this one becomes 60 what? 62. Are you seeing that one? This is 62. That is the way how we can answer that one. Now, we need the value of y, which means we have minus 31y is equal to 62, but all over minus 31, all over minus 31. It means now, as we proceed, our value of y, now it is already known. Our value of y here is a negative 2. Are you seeing that one? That is a negative 2, because now by 31 it will be 1. By 31 it will be 2 up. Are you together? Now this is the first value of y. Now we repeat the same procedure and we eliminate the value of y and we obtain the value of x. Remember, you don't substitute. When we are dealing with this, don't make a mistake, my friend. Don't substitute equation. Don't bring the other y. Since y is known now, you just place in one of the equation and you come up with the answer. In elimination, when the question specifies that use elimination method, please, even when you are obtaining the value of x, you have to eliminate the value of y. Now we repeat the same procedures by saying this is 2x minus 3y is equal to 12, and also 7x plus 5y is equal to 11. Now we repeat the same story. Now today we are going to eliminate. Remember last time we eliminated x. Now we are eliminating the value of y. What we do here, always we multiply up by a 3. No, this one will be a 5, don't so? Yes, let us multiply this one by a 5 and also down multiply by a 3, such that the coefficient of y here will be the same and it will be eliminated. Okay, let us proceed. 2 times 5, it becomes 10x. Plus, this is a plus now. It will be 5 times 3, it will be minus 15. Y is equal 5 times 12. Those with the calculators, you can tell us. And it is all about 60. Are you together? Now we come this side now again. Now we are having a 7 times 3, that is 21x. Then plus 5 times 3 will be a 15. Y is equal to 3 times 11. It becomes 33. Are you seeing that one? Now we are going to eliminate or to subtract. Now here, no need of subtracting. It is all about addition. Remember, to add this one, that's when these ones are going to get away or to be eliminated. Our aim is to eliminate the value of y. Now when we add, this becomes 20 what? 30, 31 x. This one will go because it's negative 15y plus a 15y, they cancel to 0. This one, when we add these values here, it becomes 93. Sorry, this becomes 90 what? 60 plus 33, it becomes 93. We divide by 31. We divide by 31. We can obtain the value of x altogether. Now, our value of x, we see here, it is what? Those who can at least look through and use with calculators, you can at least get the answers. Now, our value, let us see whether the answers are correct. Let us substitute into equation 1. The first equation, that is 2 into, when we substitute the value of x, this is the what? A 3 minus 3 into a 2. Because a 2, this was a negative. It is just a negative what? A negative 2. This one will be a minus 2 also inside there. Now this one becomes a 6 minus a minus 3 times the 3, that is a 6. This qualifies to be a plus, and it will be a 12. Meaning, now our answers are very correct. You can also place this one, you test and place into this equation, the answer will come out properly. Now, that is what we had today. Please subscribe for our daily uploads, and also such that you will be in position to be notified. Press the notification button or that black bell, such that you'll be having our videos whenever we upload them. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the subscription. We meet in another episode or another theory of these calculations. O level, we are concentrating in this O level work, such that those people, those students who are heading for examinations, they will be in a position to grab their marks and they move out of the examination with a smile. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Have a nice time.